try it again on our drive back.
Okay, Jim, sounds good. We'll be standing by for...
Okay, Joe, Mark, we're rolling.
To drop Jim at the limb, and I'll talk to him in a minute. And then you go on over, park near Alsep, headed west.
No, this, Bruce. Look okay? I got the good side. Yeah, you're going off camera to the right. Okay, that's good. Okay. Take a picture this way and then we'll swing it around.
That max acceleration?
No.
Man, you are really bouncing.
Is he on the ground at all? That's 10 kilometers. Huh?
He's got about 2 wheels on the ground. He's a big rooster tail out of all 4 wheels. And as he turns, he skids. The back end breaks loose just like on snow. Come on back, John. Hey, the deck is running. Man, I'll tell you, Andy's never seen a driver like this. Okay, when he hits the craters and starts bouncing is when he gets his rooster tail. He makes sharp turns. Hey, that was a good